Hey guys, it's Kiss with Give Your Hair a Kiss. What you got going on today? That's cool. That's cute. I like that. Keep doing it. You know what I'm doing today? I'm checking out some new products that I have on GiveYourHairAKiss.com, and I'm pretty excited about them. Why? Well, not just because they're color tools, but because, oh my god, guys, they're so pink. They are so pink. So, I've got these Balayage paddles, and I've got this brush set with this adorable little whisk. So I figured I'd test them out. You know, like if I'm going to put them out on the internet, I should probably stand behind it, right? Right, yes, cool. We're gonna balayage a little section, and I'm gonna play with these brushes. I'm very excited. They're so sparkly. What kind of things do you look for when you're looking for that perfect balayage brush? I myself am looking for something in between a really firm brush and a really soft brush. I want that medium, and I want kind of a feathery edge. And these have a lovely feathery edge, and a nice little like chisel point. Love that. I'm working on a mannequin, so we be using 30 volume today, because she ain't got no body heat. Let's mix it nice and thick. It's a cute little flat whisk. Usually use a round whisk, but this is working pretty well. No, I think I need a little more developer. Ooh, making a mess. Making a mess, make it snow. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Tap all that powder on the bottom. Great. Great. Okay. Okay. Solid whisk. Feel like I'm not losing a ton of product, getting it like, stuck up in the whisk. Let's just put that back to the side. Let's make a little section. Comb, not included. Just grab a little section. Check these brushes. Ouch! We'll start with the big one. And the big one. So we got 3 different sizes of everything. Great. Ooh, okay, I'm about this. I like the way she's depositing. Oh, I like these. I like these brushes. This is working out for me. Yeah. This is gonna be great. Okay. Alright. I'm about it. I'm not having to do a lot of pressing. I'm getting like a good deposit into the hair. I've got a lot of control. This is nice. I like how thick it is. It's comfy. Whoop, get back here. Get back here. Okay. Next up, medium paddle, medium brush. Medium section. I like the texture on here too. It's nice. Oh yeah. I like the tip on these. Great, I've got some precision going on. Girl, you're gonna get highlights. This is the wrong length there for this paddle, but I'm just kind of doing the bottom, so it's okay. Alright. Okay. Last but not least, let's grab the itty and the bitty. We're gonna take a little tiny section of this. Yeah, tiny section. I need like 200 of this brush, this size brush. I like this brush. This is a great size. Just to do some like precision goodness. I don't know how often I would use this tiny paddle, but I feel like it would be great for doing like multicolored looks. I can definitely utilize this with some accent pieces or fantasy colors, create dimension. You know, it's not my favorite size. But overall, as a tool, I like it. I like how sturdy it is. I like the texture that's on the plate. I like the weight of the brushes. I like there's a little bit of grip right here. It's spectacular. So I'm living for this paddle and brush set. So you get covered in bleach. You get all 4 pieces of these, and then there's the 3-piece paddle set. And you can get these at giveyourhairakiss.com. So whether you are a professional or a bit of a novice, these are some solid tools for you to either hobby into some hair or knock out some clients. So until next time, check out giveyourhairakiss.com. Hit that subscribe button, give me a like, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss, and I'll see you guys next time.